Hello everyone. Today's lesson.
I like cakes. Cakes I like. Biscuits I don't like. Okay, what's it? I like cakes. I like cakes. Cakes. Pronoun. Adjective pronoun. Do you remember? It. Good. I like it. I like it. Okay? Good. Good. I like cakes or I like it. Okay. Biscuits. I don't like it. Biscuits. I don't like it. I don't. Do not. I do not like it. I do not like it. Do not. Don't. I don't like it. I don't like it. Biscuits. Good. I don't like. I like it. I don't like it. It. Maybe. But you like it? Okay. It. Good. Pronoun. I like it. I don't like it. Good. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Negative. Negative. Don't. Do not. Don't. Okay? I don't like it. You don't like it. They don't like it. We don't like it. I, you, we, they. Good. Positive. Don't. Negative. Okay? Yes, simple present tense. Simple present tense. Okay? Positive, negative. I, you, we, they. Okay? Say. Don't.
Thank you for watching. Be an example.